Samsung has launched its new foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. With a refined design, brighter displays, and enhanced performance, it continues to push the envelope in foldable technology. In this review, we'll explore the key updates and features that set the Z Fold 6 apart. I'm Joshua for Zephyr Tech, and let's dive into what makes this device stand out. Also, make sure to watch till the end for our special announcement. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 maintains the design that Samsung fans have come to appreciate, featuring Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the external panels and an Armor aluminum flex hinge. While the hinge still doesn't allow the phone to unfold completely flat, it has been made more compact, resulting in a wider cover screen. The device is also thinner and lighter than its predecessor, weighing 239 grams. Notably, Samsung has added dust protection to the phone's waterproofing, giving it an IP48 rating. The cover screen is slightly larger this year at 6.3 inches, with a 22:9 aspect ratio, offering an improved viewing experience. The inner display remains a 7.6-inch foldable OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a nearly square 10.5:9 aspect ratio. Both screens are significantly brighter this year. The inner screen can reach over 1,600 nits in auto mode, while the cover display can hit 1,550 nits. Both displays are sharp, contrasty, and support HDR10+ video. The Z Fold 6 is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Despite this, the phone did experience thermal throttling during prolonged stress tests. The battery capacity remains at 4,400 milliamps, with a solid active use score of 11 hours and 31 minutes. Charging speeds are slightly slower than last year, reaching 38% in 30 minutes and a full charge in 1 hour and 41 minutes. Running on Samsung's One UI 6.1 on top of Android 14, the Z Fold 6 includes foldable-specific features such as a taskbar for quick shortcuts and easy access to recent apps, as well as seamless transitions between the cover and inner screens. Multitasking is a breeze with split-screen mode for up to 3 apps and floating windows that can be minimized into a bubble. AI features from the Galaxy S24 series are also present, such as voice transcription, Google Gemini, and Live Interpreter for face-to-face conversations in different languages. An AI feature specific to the stylus is Sketch-to-Image, which generates art based on your drawings. The camera setup on the Z Fold 6 remains consistent with previous models, featuring a 50-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Daylight photos are detailed with natural color rendering, while low-light shots capture good detail and dynamic range. The telephoto camera had some inconsistent focus issues, but when it works, it delivers great detail and dynamic range. The ultra-wide camera performs well with good detail and pleasing colors. Selfies can be taken with the main camera using the cover screen as a viewfinder, providing excellent quality. The 10-megapixel cover screen selfie camera delivers decent results, but the 4-megapixel under-display camera is more suited for video calls due to its lower quality. The Z Fold 6 can record in 8K with the main camera, but 4K is more practical for everyday use. The 4K videos from all rear cameras have vibrant colors and excellent stabilization, with a consistent look across the different lenses. Low-light video quality from the main camera is also impressive. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a great camera system that works well for both simple and advanced photography. Despite some focus problems with the telephoto lens, the phone takes high-quality photos and videos in many different situations, making it a strong choice in the foldable phone market. In summary, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a premium foldable flagship that introduces several enhancements over the Z Fold 5. It's thinner, brighter, and now dust-protected, making it a solid choice for those new to foldable devices. The enhanced durability, combined with its sleek design, makes it more appealing than ever. However, the improvements might not be significant enough to justify an upgrade if you already own a Z Fold 5. The performance boost, while noticeable, isn't groundbreaking compared to its predecessor. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 continues to push the boundaries of what a foldable phone can do, making it an attractive option for tech enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Whether you choose the latest model or its predecessor, you're getting a device that excels in both innovation and functionality. And finally, we have some exciting news for all of you. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we'll start giving out special prizes for our loyal subscribers. If you want this to happen as soon as possible, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. This way, we can quickly reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers. Turn on notifications and keep supporting Zephyr Tech. Thank you for being part of our community. And you may want to check out our other reviews like Samsung Galaxy A55 and Google Pixel 8a. Let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video.